Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to talk to you about prepare. This message is to warn you and inform you to prepare. Right now, a lot of people are doing what's called holding money, they're not investing money. A lot of people are selling to prepare. There's a preparation that's happening and you're not prepared for it. Here's what I want to tell you. If I was you and you was I, and I had my funds, I would not be taking a risk with my money at this time. I'll be looking at ways to hold my money, put my money in vehicles that will make sure that my money can guarantee to grow. So that way when the market or whatever happened in the economy where it makes a shift or anything goes bad or negative, I'm in a position where I can capitalize on the downside and definitely ride out the wave when it goes back up to the upside. So one thing I always want to remind you is this. Always remember, buy low, sell high. And right now, all I'm saying is prepare. There is something's gonna happen where you're gonna wish you weren't taking risks with your money. And there's an opportunity that when something does happen, that you could buy something for pennies on the dollar. And when it goes back up to the high, you're gonna capitalize and it's gonna be one of the greatest wealth transfer that you ever witnessed in your life. And you can't say I didn't tell you. Remember, Coach Keon Corniff told you this today. Take my advice. Well, this is not advice, but take my suggestions. And this is my suggestion on a personal level, something that I've told myself and I'm just sharing with you. I hope it helps somebody.